Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galleria, and in today's video we are going to draw a flower with a brush pens and leaves too. So for this, first I made a circle with a mechanical pencil and I have given even a center round so that I can make the pollens in that. And now I'm using this yellow color brush pen and I'm just giving leaf shapes. And I'm just starting with the tip of the brush, landing the total brush, and finally at the edge again I'm doing it with the tip of the brush. And now I'm filling the gaps in between the flowers, and now I'm giving another layer. We'll be working on layers for this flower. So I have given the second layer too, and now I have taken my orange color. I have just dipped my yellow brush into the orange color and trying to give a little bit more darker shade. I don't want to use complete orange because that gives it becomes even more darker, and I don't want that to be done. So I just want to work on layers. So first I have taken orange and now I have taken red color. So I'm giving now the fourth layer. So we are just working on layers to show the depth of the flower, and we are giving this also in leaf shape. So the more layers you give, the more depth you can see in the flower. So just keep on working on layers, and once this is done, I'm just working even on the edges or underneath petals of the flower, giving a simple strokes. That's it. And just trying to give, actually I just try to give the red color directly. See that's what I was saying, it looks very dark, so we don't want that. So I have blended with the yellow color, the red color I have blended with yellow color. And now once this is done, I have taken my brown color and just give small circles. I just wanted to see even the white color in between. And now with the mechanical pencil, I just wanted to give a light layer on the petals to differentiate the underneath petals and the top petals. And once after this is done, I have taken my micron pen and started giving even more darker. So I have taken my micron pen and started to give the depth. Now you can see the petals very clearly and the layers too. So in the starting I have done it dark, and I'm also doing it in the, like, I'm giving shape of every petal and drawing I'm showing the depth by giving even more dark shades under the petals, so that that you can see different layers of petals and different petals also. And this is how the flower looks. I just want to give some curves in between. Just giving some lines and curves and making the bottom petals a little bit dark. And so this is how the flower looks. Now let us draw the stem and leaves also. So first I'm drawing a rough sketch with the pencil, mechanical pencil, and then giving leaves. And once this is done, I have taken my light green brush pen and I started giving. We need to give a little bit thinner in the middle, and the bottom and top will be a little bit width. And now the petals, I have given 2 petals on one side and 1 petal on the other side, and to differentiate it I'm giving another layer just to show the depth of the petal of the leaves. And once this is done, I'm just giving the same like I'm working with the micron pen to show the depth of the flower, under the flower and all. And this is how my flower looks finally. And thanks for watching, and if you're watching for the first time, please do subscribe the channel, and happy drawing.